First off, don't answer your phone all the time. Now, in a normal auto repair setting, you need to always be answering your phone. But in a one-man shop, because they're calling you and you're the guy, they really, really want to talk to you, you don't need to be as worried about it. So my concern would not be so much that you're missing a call as much as the bigger issue right now, which is you're the only person producing. So put yourself on a tight schedule. My personal opinion, if I could have done it better back in the day, and I did some of this, but I know I could have done it better, would have been from 8 to 9 to handle my front counter, check-in, etc. Then from 9 to noon, I would have turned wrenches. From noon to 1, I would have eaten my lunch. I would return all calls and make calls out, do estimates then. Then from 1 to 4, I would have turned wrenches again. And then from 4 to 5, I would have done paperwork, closed people out, etc. Meaning I only have 6 hours a day to turn wrenches. I'm not going to turn wrenches all day. That means I've got 3 hours to do paperwork, and it's dedicated to those times, and I'm not going to waver on that.